Hi friend, today I showed you the turbocharger. For the engine model is WDS4B, and this turbocharger is fitted in the railway engine. And after dismantling the turbocharger, we have checked it will be rubbed with the body. You can also find the sound of the turbocharger impeller. So it needs further repairing in our workshop. And this turbocharger is very costly. Till date, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification when we have uploaded any new videos on this channel. The notification of the same will be received by you. And this turbocharger is removing after few years before.